Hi guys, this is Vishal Zariwala from J Group Robotics, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the Lunar Lamp. This Lunar Lamp is being manufactured by J Group Robotics. आप देख रहे हैं कि this lamp comes in 3 colors. So पहले तो इसका box देखते हैं हम कैसा है. If you see, this lamp has 3 colors. The first color is the white color, the second is warm white, and the third is yellow. This lunar lamp, it's written lunar lamp, which resembles like a moon. So this lamp is going to be like a moon basically. Okay, now let us see the features. The features are directly written on the box itself. Okay, so the first features, if you see, this lamp comes in wired and wireless version. Okay, and the color we have is, as I mentioned, 3 colors: white, warm white, and yellow. The shape of the lunar lamp is round. The material which is being made, it is made in PLA material, which is basically a biodegradable material, and which is basically good and environmental free. The third thing what you see is the lamp will come in 2 sizes, 14 centimeter and 17 centimeter. The LED is being used in this, and we in the wireless version and in the wired version, if you see, we have the bulb being used. And if you see the wattage, the wireless one takes 0.5 watts and the wired one is 15 watts. Speaking about the charger, yes, the charger cable is provided, and this is chargeable in the wireless one, and the wired one, it's directly plug and play. It comes with a wooden stand. So now if you see the other side of this, here we have the company's logo, we have the company's Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter, all the social decks being mentioned over here. This is the QR code. If you scan this code, you can directly visit our company website. Now let's see the other side of the box. So the other side of the box shows caution, okay, which has a symbol of battery, because this box carries a product with a battery. So 100% we need to put a caution as per the government norms. Now if you see the company, we have actually listed all our 3D printers. This is just an advertisement part of the printers, where the users can also see that this company is there into 3D printing, and certainly we manufacture 3D printers. So we are one of the best company in India to manufacture 3D printers. Now let's try to unbox this. So it is very easy to open. I mean, if you see, just plug it out, okay, and it is very simple to open. The best part, if you see, it's thank you for shopping with us. So this is the first thing when you open the box. This is the first user experience you get with us, and let me try to unbox it. So when I try to unbox this, okay, certainly you see that the moon is properly fitting inside the frame. Okay, let me try to remove this. So this is the first piece which we have removed. It becomes very easy for you to remove it, and also it is packaging safe, so it does not get damaged. Now let me try to open the moon. So this is a 17 centimeter moon. Okay guys, so I'm going to keep the moon aside right now. Okay, let me see what all other things we are getting with the box. So I'm going to show you the box. Okay, so the next thing what we are getting is, there's a kind of paper. Let me see what's there in this. Okay, guys, there is an instruction note how to operate this particular moon. So that's good. Let me see what else is there. Okay, so I see that there is, wow, I see there are chocolates, there are some goodies, and it's packed with the charging cable. So it becomes, this is something surprising for a customer when he receives a J Group Robotic product. He also receives some goodies with this, and this makes people, this brings a smile on the face. Normally, few years ago, when I used to work, I was always being told that if the customer is happy, your company is going to be where you want to see your company to be. I mean, so certainly we have the charging cable in this and some goodies. Okay. Now next thing is, again you see there is a proper packaging being done, certainly for the wooden stand. And let me just try to open that. So there is a second box. So I think so this is the second frame, which actually holds the base of the moon, and the top of the moon has been holded like this. So if you see, this is how the inner thing would be, so that the moon does not get damaged. This is something where we have taken care of it. And this comes with a wooden stand. So this is the last thing in the box. The box is empty now, and this comes with a wooden stand. And I see there is a glossy thing on the wooden. So let me see how it looks when I keep the stand. And this is the moon. Let me try to touch it. Okay, when I touch it, it certainly glows. And you see in our previous video, this is the white light. I keep it on a table, and it looks certainly good. So this is amazing, and thank you for watching the unboxing video with us. And now I would